Hello students, welcome to the maths class of 7th standard. Today let us learn to solve the problems of the exercise 1.1, page number 4. Let's start from the first question. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Students, look at the given number line. Temperature of different places is mentioned in this number line. Also, difference or distance between the given degrees is 5. Look at here. This is 0 degree. At the right side, between 0 to 5 degree, 5 degree to 10 degree, 10 degree to 15 degree, 15 degree to 20 degree, and 20 degree to 25 degree, we can see the small lines. Even at the left side, from 0 to minus 5 degree, minus 5 degree to minus 10 degree, we can see the small lines. Those lines also indicate the degrees as same as in the scale. Let us mark the degrees for these small lines. Start from right side, 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree, 6 degree, 7 degree, 8 degree, 9 degree, 10 degree, 11 degree, 12 degree, 13 degree, 14 degree, 15 degree, 16 degree, 17 degree, 18 degree, 19 degree, 20 degree, 21 degree, 22 degree, 23 degree, 24 degree, 25 degree. Next, from left side, after 0 degree, minus 1 degree, minus 2 degree, minus 3 degree, minus 4 degree, minus 5 degree, minus 6 degree, minus 7 degree, minus 8 degree, minus 9 degree, minus 10 degree. Now we'll try to solve the first sub-question. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Students, we'll do the two columns. In the first column, we'll write the names of the places, and in the second column, we'll write the temperature of the given places. First, let us find out the temperature of Laul Spiti. Look at the number line. This line indicates the temperature of Laul Spiti. It is minus 8 degrees Celsius. So the temperature of Laul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Next, let us find out the temperature of Srinagar. Observe the number line. This line shows the temperature of Srinagar. It is minus 2 degrees Celsius. The temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Next, let us find out the temperature of Shimla. Observe the number line. This line indicates the temperature of Shimla. It is plus 5 degrees Celsius. Let us write the temperature of Shimla. It is plus 5 degrees Celsius. Next place is Ooty. Observe the number line. This line indicates the temperature of Ooty. It is plus 14 degrees Celsius. The temperature of Ooty is plus 14 degrees Celsius. Last one is Bengaluru. Here, this line indicates the temperature of Bengaluru. It is plus 22 degrees Celsius. So, the temperature of Bengaluru is plus 22 degrees Celsius. Next, let us solve the second sub-question. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? Students, remember that on the number line, as we move to the right hand side or positive side, we are moving towards the larger number. or larger value. As we move to the left hand side or negative side, we are moving towards the smaller number or smaller value. So, as we move to the right, the value of the number increases. Same way, as we move to the left, the value of the number decreases. Here, the lowest temperature is at Laul Spiti and the highest temperature is at Bengaluru. To find the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place, first we need to find the temperature at the hottest place and the coldest place. From the number line, we observe that the hottest place is Bengaluru and its temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. In the same way, the coldest place is Laul Spiti because its temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Now let us write the statements. The first statement, the temperature at the hottest place, that is Bengaluru, is equal to 22 degrees Celsius. Second statement, the temperature at the coldest place, that is Laul Spiti, is equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. Next statement, therefore, temperature difference between hottest and coldest place. To find the temperature difference, we need to subtract the lowest temperature from the highest temperature. Here the lowest temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius and the highest temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. So from the temperature of Bengaluru, subtract the temperature of Laul Spiti. So it is 22 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius. So here given operation is in subtraction. Let us change the operation from subtraction to addition. Keep the first number as it is, 22 degrees Celsius. Change the operation sign from subtraction to addition. So change the minus sign into plus sign. And then change the sign of the second number. Here minus 8 becomes plus 8. Then follow the steps of addition of integers and continue. Students, observe here. Now after changing the operation, both the numbers are in the positive form. As we know, according to the addition of integers, add them. So 22 plus 8 is 30. Keep the same sign in the answer. Both the numbers are positive numbers. So the answer gets plus sign. Therefore, temperature difference between hottest and coldest place is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. Now we will solve the sub-question C. What is the temperature difference between Laul Spiti and Srinagar? Observe the number line. Write the first statement. Temperature at Laul Spiti is equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. Second statement. Temperature at Srinagar is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. As I said before, to find the temperature difference, we need to subtract the lowest temperature from the highest temperature. So here the highest temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius and the lowest temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the temperature difference between Laul Spiti and Srinagar is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius. Here the given operation is in subtraction. So let us change the operation from subtraction to addition, write the first number as it is, minus 2 degrees Celsius. Change the operation sign from subtraction to addition. So change the minus sign into plus sign. Change the sign of the second number. So minus 8 becomes plus 8. Now follow the steps of addition of integers and continue. After changing the operation, here both the numbers got different signs, unlike signs. So we cannot add, we can subtract. So subtract the smaller absolute value from the greater absolute value. Here the greater absolute value is 8 and the smaller absolute value is 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. Now apply the sign of the number which has greater absolute value. Here the number which has greater absolute value is plus 8. So the answer gets positive sign. Hence the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar is equal to 6 degrees Celsius. Now we will solve the sub-question D. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? In this question, here it is asked to find that the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. It means sum or total of the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. Is it less than the temperature at Shimla and even at Srinagar? So first let us find out the sum or total of the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. To find the sum or total, what we have to do? We have to add them. Observe the number line and then write the statements. First statement is the temperature at Srinagar is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. The second statement, the temperature at Shimla is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Next statement, therefore, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius. Here both the numbers got different signs, so we cannot add, we can subtract. Subtract the smaller absolute value from the greater absolute value. Here the greater absolute value is 5, smaller absolute value is 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. In the answer, apply the sign of the number which has greater absolute value. The number which has greater absolute value is plus 5. Hence, the answer gets plus sign. Therefore, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is equal to 3 degrees Celsius. Dear students, now can you say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? The total temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is 3 degrees Celsius and the temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. Which is greater, which is smaller? 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius. So, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. Students, is it the total temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is less than the temperature at Srinagar? The total temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is 3 degrees Celsius and the temperature at Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. Which is greater? Which is smaller? Here 3 degrees Celsius is greater than -2 degrees Celsius. So the answer of the last question is no. The temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. Students, I hope that you have learned to solve this problem. Kindly complete the maths notes and also practice the sum in your rub book. Thank you.